Hola estudiantes, ¿cómo están? ¿Cómo están? ¿Bien? Muy bien. Hola, vamos a hablar de what do you like to do? ¿Qué te gusta hacer? All right, empezamos. First off, the learning target. I can express what I like to do and don't like to do using memorized phrases and vocabulary terms, which means you're going to need to memorize some vocabulary and learn some vocab terms in order to apply this grammar practice, okay? Success criteria. I will know how to say and write at least one activity that I like and one that I don't. All right. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? So let's break that down. Does anybody think to yourself, and what do you think que means? Que. We've seen que a lot of times before. Take a second to think about that. Que. What? Te gusta. You have seen que te gusta. So te gusta, think to yourself. Do you like? And then this new word, hacer, hacer. What do you like? And what do you think that last word is? To do. So, ¿qué te gusta hacer? Remember that red? Of course, red. I'm putting things in red that I want you to take notes on so that you do not forget this new material. These are important things that I need you to write down. If you need to pause the video, you can pause the video, but this is to help you remember. So write it down so you can remember. Also, if you need to remember how to take good notes, I put 2 links up here for taking notes and advanced notes. Like if you are learning a language and you need to practice taking better note-taking skills, you can read those articles or listen to those videos, actually. All right, so some possible responses to those questions are me gusta comer, me gusta comer, me gusta cantar, la la la, me gusta ir al cine. Ir al cine, you have your palomitas and you're watching. Ir al cine. Hacer la tarea es doing my homework. Jugar videojuegos, jugando Among Us. Montar en bicicleta, you're riding your bike. And salir con amigos. Salir con amigos es ir afuera. Maybe you're going to go to the skate park con tus amigos with your friends. All right, so those are some possible respuestas, some possible answers to the question, ¿Qué te gusta hacer? What do you like to do? We always use gusta. Notice we're always using me gusta with these words, not using me gustan. These words here that end in ER, AR, IR, ER, AR, and IR, these are called the infinitives. This is when it's just to eat, to sing. There's no specific subject doing the verb. We call these the infinitives, infinitivos en español. And that means there are no sujetos, no subjects, okay? So me gusta is I like, and then to do homework. Nobody likes that. ¿Te gusta hacer la tarea? No. No me gusta hacer la tarea. You don't like to do homework, do you? All right. To ask someone una pregunta específica, a question, a very specific question, if they like something, you will use this phrase. A ti te gusta, and then this is the example one, hacer ejercicios. Hacer ejercicios. So, a ti, what does a ti te gusta mean again? You got to think for a second. We did this last time. A ti, te. What do those words look like? Do you, a ti, and then we have gusta. Gusta. What is gusta? Everybody knows gusta now. Gusta. Do you like hacer ejercicios? We saw hacer a minute ago in the question ¿Qué te gusta hacer? And that meant to do. Ejercicios is a word we call a cognate, and it looks very similar to the English exercises. Ejercicios. Okay? ¿A ti te gusta hacer los ejercicios? Do you like to do exercises? Do you like to exercise? So, do you like to work out? ¿A ti te gusta hacer ejercicios? A mí, sí. A mí me gusta hacer ejercicios. So you can replace this underlined frase, this part right here, the infinitive, with another activity, leaving it in the infinitivo. A ti te gusta correr? A ti te gusta comer? A ti te gusta leer? These are all asking different things, but you're asking someone in specific, someone informal, okay? So maybe un amigo. Do you like to correr? ¿Te gusta comer? Or ¿te gusta leer? Una novela. All right. For your chapter 3 essay, you need to know how to say things you'd like to do. All right. So going back to those things that you like to do. Me gusta correr. Me gusta cantar. Me gusta hacer esto, 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 esto. I like to do this or that or this or that or this or that. You need to know how to say things you don't like to do. No me gusta hacer. I don't like to. Just remembering to add the no enfrente de la me. Adding the no in front of the me. And you need to be able to ask someone if they like something. So that's going back here, asking if they like to do something específico. Asking them, do you like to work out? Do you like to eat cheeseburgers? Whatever. Just asking them if they like something específico, something specific. Okay? So I want you to practice this activity. This is a listening activity. All right? You're going to fill in the blanks with the verb, the infinitive that you hear. Okay? So I'm going to read this little párrafo, this little paragraph with the words in it, and I want you to fill in the words. These are going to be verbs in the infinitive. Okay? So I'm going to start reading, and you're going to fill this in. Querido amigo, ¿a ti te gusta comer la pizza? A mí me gusta jugar al fútbol con amigos. A mí no me gusta montar en bicicleta. ¿A ti te gusta patinar? A mí me gusta patinar. Pero no soy atlético. Me gusta más comer que hacer ejercicios. Saludos, Roberto. Let's try that one more time. You can listen to this as many times as you want, of course. So I'm going to read it again. ¿A ti te gusta comer la pizza? A mí me gusta jugar al fútbol con mis amigos. A mí no me gusta montar en bicicleta. ¿A ti te gusta patinar? A mí me gusta patinar, pero no soy atlético. Me gusta más comer que hacer ejercicios. Saludos, Roberto. So I want you to fill in those blanks. Then on this slide, I'd like you to answer the following questions en español, in Spanish, okay? How do you ask someone, do you like to sing? So if you don't know the word for to sing yet, you need to go back and estudiar your vocabulario using your flashcards or whatever other way you learned, you need to learn your vocabulario. All right? Do you like to sing? All right? You can use the earlier slides to help you remember how to say do you like to or do you like. Second, you're going to write. You're going to respond to how do you say I don't like to go out with friends or I like to go out with friends. Okay? Use these full sentences. You're going to write those in Spanish, en español. How do you say, I like to go out with friends, or I don't like to go out with friends? And then back to the first one. How do you ask someone, do you like to sing? All right, muy bien. Buena suerte. You can always envíame un correo electrónico if you have preguntas. You can always email me. Hasta luego.